Hello, today we're gonna be working on an anchor. It's not going up or down. Hopefully this is not that complicated of a job. So we'll take a look and see what's going on. Let me show you the anchor system. Nothing happens. It's not moving.
Eléctrica no veo nada.
So this valve box has some components that are a little bit rusted, as you can see. The gauge is missing the needle, and we'll find out what's going on, why it's not working. It's not operating at all. This is the wiring diagram for the Windlass system. So we can see input voltage should be present between pins 6 and 12. 6 being positive and 12 being negative. There's switches for up and down. If one of those switches is activated, it's gonna let voltage pass through here to these diodes and out to number 5 as a signal for the pump solenoid relay. Very basic.